How to grow sweet potatoes from a sweet potato. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in to my food forest here in container. Thank you all so much for your well wishes and your prayers. I am feeling much better. Thank you all so much. Alright, so here we have a sweet potato that I had in water, and it gave me these slips as well. So hold on. So all you need is a potato like this and a cup with water like this. Alright, look at these roots. Wow, look at that. Let me show you. Look at all these roots. They took the shape of the cup. Nice roots. Alright, so like I said, you just need a potato like this and a cup with water like this, and you just put it inside there. This is what will happen. It will begin to root and then it will push out slips like these. Alright, so before, this potato gave me all these slips that you're looking at right here, and look at those roots and those slips. Alright, so how I got here, I'm going to insert a clip so you can see, and then we'll come right back. Here I have this cup with sweet potato. So this is one sweet potato that I bought from the store, and look at the roots. Look at the roots. They take the shape of the cup. So I just get the sweet potato just like this, get the cup with water and just put it inside there. So what I'm going to do now is to take off these slips and take off most of the leaves and put them down in the cup and let them root. Alright, so I got me some fresh water. I think now that I'm going to use a taller cup. Let me get a taller cup. So the reason I got a taller cup is because I want the roots to come way up on the slip. I want to plant the slips that deep down in the soil. Maybe if I can get a bigger container like a bottle and cut the top, I may just do that as well. So I'll change the water every day until they have enough roots for me to plant. Alright, so I have here about 6 or 7 slips, right? So all I did is what you saw. Initially I used a smaller container, but then because I wanted the roots to come all the way to up here, I used this instead. So the roots came as far up as to where the water was on the slip, right there, for each of them. And these are nice roots that I'm getting. I believe 2 of these I did after the majority, so they don't have as much root as the others, but they still do have roots, nice roots as well. So yes, that's it. From just the potato to the slips. Now I don't have space for all of these slips, but I'm still going to put them in the water, let them root. I don't know, someone might just want them, but I really don't have the space. I have 2 containers, and I am going to be putting, say, 3 in 1, since it's 7, 3 in 1 and 4 in 1. Alright, so the reason I wanted the roots to come all the way up here, because I wanted all of this to go down in the container. So I was deliberate with that. I could have used a smaller container and just root it from down here, but I want to plant the slips from way up here, come down here. So we are going to get to that in just a minute. So these two containers are what we'll be using. 1, 2. So I forgot, I wanted to take out some of the soil out of this one. Well, some of you must be wondering what happened to the potatoes I had before. I didn't see anything much going on with them. When I was posting, I took them out, and so I am starting this new one. Alright, so I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 inside here. And I'm putting it all the way down in the container. I'll be getting some soil and I will bring it up to here, and then I'll add some manure to the container. I had some kitchen scraps buried in the container already, so that is why I'm not adding any right now. I prefer to add the scraps before planting, so that they could start the breakdown process. So soon you will see me add the soil to it. Guys, I can't wait to move from here. So I can't wait to move from here. Oh God, I'm so terrified of these lizards. I can't wait to ease up my head from here. But I just have to do what I have to. Alright, so I'm going to get the soil, and like I said, bring the soil up to here and add some manure. I still don't get the manure as yet, so I'm waiting on that. So just use this water them in, get some more, and do this one. So this is where I leave you for today. Until next time, walk good.
Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live. Sweet jam.